Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of natural remedies and their impact on our health. I don't know if you've ever tried to drink olive oil straight, but for me it is quite a chore. So, please stay with me till the very end of this video, where I will give you a recipe that will make you absolutely crave olive oil. In today's episode, we dive into the incredible world of olive oil and its numerous health benefits. Join us as we uncover the latest research and discover why olive oil is considered a superfood. Olive oil is known for its high content of healthy monounsaturated fats, comprising approximately 14% of the oil, while saturated fat accounts for 11% and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, make up the remaining portion. The predominant monounsaturated fat in olive oil is oleic acid, constituting 73% of the total oil content. Research suggests that oleic acid has anti-inflammatory properties and may even exert beneficial effects on genes associated with cancer. Chronic inflammation is a significant driver of various diseases, including cancer, heart disease, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, arthritis, and obesity. Extra virgin olive oil has been found to possess anti-inflammatory properties, which may be one of the key factors contributing to its health benefits. Contrary to concerns about weight gain and obesity, consuming olive oil does not appear to increase the likelihood of gaining weight. Moderate intake of olive oil may even support weight loss efforts. Moreover, several studies have linked olive oil to beneficial effects on blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. Olive oil shows promise in fighting Alzheimer's disease, the most prevalent neurodegenerative condition worldwide. Accumulation of beta-amyloid plaques in brain cells is a characteristic feature of Alzheimer's. Animal studies have demonstrated that a substance found in olive oil can aid in the removal of these plaques, and human research has shown that a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil can benefit brain function. Another notable property of olive oil is its antibacterial activity. It contains various nutrients that can inhibit or kill harmful bacteria, including Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium known to cause stomach ulcers and stomach cancer. Test tube studies have demonstrated that extra virgin olive oil can combat multiple strains of this bacterium, including antibiotic-resistant ones. Human studies have suggested that taking 30 grams or approximately 2 tablespoons of extra rich virgin olive oil daily can eliminate Helicobacter pylori infection in 10 to 40% of people within 2 weeks. Heart health and blood pressure. The predominant fatty acid in olive oil is oleic acid, which makes up an impressive 73% of the total oil content. Studies suggest that oleic acid has anti-inflammatory properties and may even have beneficial effects on genes linked to cancer. Studies have also indicated that olive oil may help prevent strokes, which are often caused by disruptions in blood flow to the brain due to blood clots or bleeding. Olive oil, particularly the monounsaturated fat it contains, has been associated with a reduced risk of stroke and heart disease according to a comprehensive review involving 841,000 individuals. Antioxidant powerhouse. Olive oil not only provides beneficial fatty acids but also contains significant amounts of antioxidants. While it modestly supplies vitamins C and K, it's loaded with powerful antioxidants that can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. These antioxidants play a crucial role in fighting inflammation and protecting your blood cholesterol from oxidation, ultimately lowering the risk of heart disease. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is considered a leading driver of various diseases, including cancer, heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's, arthritis, and obesity. Extra virgin olive oil has been found to possess potent anti-inflammatory properties, which may be one of the main reasons for its wide range of health benefits. Stroke and heart disease prevention. Stroke, the second most common cause of death in developed nations, occurs due to a disruption of blood flow to the brain caused by a blood clot or bleeding. Extensive studies have examined the relationship between olive oil and stroke risk, and a review of over 841,000 people found that olive oil, as the sole source of monounsaturated fat, was associated with a reduced risk of stroke and heart disease. Weight management and blood sugar control. Contrary to popular belief, consuming olive oil is not associated with weight gain or obesity. In fact, moderate intake may even aid in weight loss. Furthermore, several studies have linked olive oil to beneficial effects on blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Brain health and Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's disease, the most common neurodegenerative condition globally, is characterized by the buildup of beta-amyloid plaques inside brain cells. Research has shown that a substance found in olive oil can help remove these plaques. Additionally, a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil has been associated with improved brain function. Rheumatoid arthritis relief for individuals with rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune disease characterized by painful and deformed joints. Olive oil supplements have shown improvements in inflammatory markers and reduced oxidative stress. Combining olive oil with fish oil, a source of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, appears to have particularly beneficial effects. In one study, the combination significantly improved hand grip strength, joint pain, and morning stiffness in rheumatoid arthritis patients. From improving heart health and reducing blood pressure to combating inflammation, promoting brain health, and even fighting bacterial infections, olive oil truly deserves its status as a superfood. Remember, when choosing olive oil, opt for extra virgin olive oil, as it undergoes minimal processing and retains the highest levels of beneficial compounds. Now, drinking olive oil straight may not be the most appealing experience due to its strong flavor and oily aftertaste. However, there's a simple solution to enhance the taste while still reaping the benefits. So, let's walk you through a recipe that will make this supplement more enjoyable. Here's what you need: 1 cup of warm water, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Start by cutting your lemon in half and squeezing the fresh juice into 6 ounces or 178 milliliters of water. Next, add 1 tablespoon each of olive and honey. Stir and mix the ingredients well until they are dissolved. Now, you can indulge in this powerful and supplement that provides all the health benefits we previously mentioned in this video. For optimal results, it is recommended to consume this super drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. By following this recipe, you can enjoy the goodness of olive oil while transforming it into a palatable and invigorating drink. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of natural remedies and their impact on our well-being. Now, please share your thoughts and questions in the comment section of this video, as we would love to hear your experiences on this subject. We do read every comment and we thank you for your participation. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.